Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to set default zoom level on Google Chrome browser. So you can change the zoom level of your web page from the three dots. This is not a default zoom level. So if you want to set any particular default zoom level for your browser, you need to open the settings of your browser, okay, like this. And in the left panel you need to open appearance option like this, and in the right panel scroll down. At the end you can get the option page zoom. Just extend this, and from here you can easily able to select the zoom level of your browser. So for example, I want to set 200% like this, and then when you open any web page on your browser, it will open in 200% zoom level, as you can see guys in my screen. Okay, if you want to change it, so go to your browser settings once again and set your zoom level from here. That's it. Okay, so this is the very easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.